95 आपने ट्यून इन किया है एंड आज फीवर एफएम पर हमारे साथ एक ऐसी वंडर वुमन है जिन्होंने सिर्फ एक पोएट्री या फिर किसी टीचिंग एक्सपीरियंस में नहीं बट एक अलग ही चीज़ में एक्सपर्टीज जो है वो बना के रखी है एंड दैट इज़ द आई थिंक फ्यूचर जिसमें हमें दिख रहा है, दैट इज़ होम स्कूलिंग। सो सबसे पहले मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस कराना चाहूँगी एक राइटर, एक ऑथर, एक पोएटेस, एक टीचर जिनके पास बहुत सारा 15 इयर्स से भी प्लस का एक्सपीरियंस है इन एकेडमिक्स। लेट्स वेलकम ऑन द शो सोनाली। हाउ आर यू?
Thank you so much, RJ Nishita. I'm great. It's always a pleasure talking to you.
Same here, Sonali. It's so good to see you back again, and I am hoping that you are coming up with some new projects,
Yes,
your books.
Yes, lots of new projects. There's another poetry book down the line that is going to be with visual art, hopefully. So
Okay.
it'll be art and poetry. I think that's a unique niche for me. I haven't seen anybody who also uses art to describe their poetry or
Wow.
draws poetry from art.
Interesting.
So I'm saying it, on broadcast for the first
Yes,
time. I
yes.
had not disclosed this to anybody. So
Yeah.
it's So that I'm doing. Plus there is an academic book. This is
Mhm.
going to be based on my PhD work, which
Okay.
is on Bollywood cinema
Mm-hmm.
and how bodies are represented in Bollywood cinema. मतलब
Wow.
हम तो देखते आते हैं लेकिन मेरा जो काम है 2000 ऑनवर्ड्स ये जो हम क्या देखते हैं बॉलीवुड सिनेमा में डिस्गाइज मैस्करेड, आई डिफाइन इट एज मैस्करेड के मेले में बिछड़ा हुआ भाई और वो
हाँ.
मिल जाते हैं,
हाँ.
कोई ट्विंस होते हैं
हाँ.
या फिर somebody आइडेंटिटी इज मिस्टेकन आइडेंटिटी,
Yes.
somebody falls in love with someone else thinking कि ये कोई
ये
और
कोई
है।
और है,
ये
yes.
एक ट्रोप है ना, हम देखते आ रहे हैं सिंस मदर इंडिया, सिंस बिफोर दैट, और
हाँ.
अभी तक चलते जा रहा है। कोई प्रिटेंड कर रहा है कि बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड है लेकिन
हाँ.
है नहीं असल में, बट
हाँ.
दे फॉल इन लव व्हाइल प्रिटेंडिंग,
True.
राइट? सो दिस प्रिटेंडिंग, डिस्गाइज, ट्विनिंग, ये जो डबल आइडेंटिटी आई से और मास्क्ड आइडेंटिटी, मेरा किताब जो है इट लुक्स एट why are we obsessed with this kind of identity, historically, psychologically, इसमें क्या छुपा है, that can give us some answers about ourselves. So ये
Wow.
किताब hopefully it is with the publisher, so hopefully that's in the pipeline. Couple of academic chapters I've been writing on transgender and representation of transgenderism in cinema.
Wow,
Which is a
okay.
big thing now, given as you know
Absolutely.
the Supreme Court
Yes,
judgment
yes,
and
yes.
so on. A lot of people are, so hopefully it will come out at the right time,
Yes, yes.
to add to that debate and discussion and so on. तो वो भी हो रहा है, बहुत सारे काम चल रहे हैं।
बाप रे, इतना बिजी चल रहे हो आप, एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट यू आर डूइंग होम स्कूलिंग।
Absolutely.
I mean, you have some superpowers or something. What do you do?
Not at all. I think you're the one with the superpowers. I'll tell you the opposite actually. For me, what appears to others as superpowerish, this is actually my, what would I say, my internal strength.
Okay.
My alignment is in this direction.
Okay.
I have never been, even when I was a permanent professor at Delhi University, Nishita, I will tell you, I was never that person who would just wake up, eat breakfast at the right time, reach college at the right time, take my perfect classes, get out, come back. ये होता नहीं मुझसे, and I used to keep wondering. I was a fabulous professor. I'm not boasting because students will give you feedback and all that, and I'll put my heart and soul into it.
Yes.
But there was something saying that there is also an artistic side to me.
Yes.
There is there's a dancer in me. There's so many other facets. तो इसको मैं कैसे, how do I let it shine? So
Right.
what you are calling like superpowers, for me, it is like it's the other thing. It's like respecting
ये मैं नहीं
that-
कर सकती।
हाँ, ये मैं
अच्छा,
नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि मैं वो हूँ, and I have to honor that aspect of me.
Right.
And as I'm getting older, I'm realizing, and that is where homeschooling also for my daughter came from, we have a lot of unnecessary pressure in society
True.
to perform and to be something. और जो भीड़ में ना हम अपने आप को खो जाते हैं, I feel.
Very true. Very well said.
So that's
I think there are less people who know themselves. Like specifically talking about women.
yeah.
वो तो उनको पता ही नहीं कि अगर आप हमारी मम्मी को या फिर उनको पूछेंगे कि which is your favorite कपड़ा that you love to wear, she'll say everything.
Yeah.
आपको कौन से रेस्टोरेंट में खाना खाने जाना पसंद है? Everywhere, wherever you are there, so they don't have choices. They have lost it.
Yeah. Yeah.
A lot many women have lost it, but
Absolutely.
you have kept that extract कि नहीं ये मैं मरने नहीं दूंगी.
Absolutely not. Absolutely, you said it. In
हाँ.
fact, I remember my daughter was very young. I
Yeah.
was a single parent,
हाँ.
Ajay Nishita. So I was raising her with a lot of love. मुझे ये था कि जो भी करे, let her just shine in her own world. I will take care of all the rest. You know,
Okay.
my first Mother's Day, my parents were there to support me and so on. So I said कहीं चलते हैं. I want to celebrate, you know, what it means to be a mother for me.
Wow.
So my father says, find a place जहाँ पे बच्ची भी खेल सकती है, कुछ हो सकता है ये वो, right? He's always looking. I said 364 days I am doing that. I'm finding a place where the child can play. There is something to entertain her. I said no. Today I will go somewhere
Mother's
where
Day.
exactly so that I like. But
Yeah.
हुआ क्या? Ultimately she was very small.
Yeah,
Right? It was my
yeah.
first Mother Day, so it was anyway all about her. But what you said is very important. I think Thappad film में भी दिखाते हैं. She says I've forgotten, right? What
Yes.
my favorite color is.
Yeah.
Yeah,
तो
I've
वो
forgotten dance.
exactly people forget कि वो है क्या.
Yeah.
दूसरों के responsibilities, दूसरों के, even if you are doing your best, like even if I talk about myself, I am working, I'm doing my favorite things and everything, but still I think that the dancer in me has gone somewhere, that foodie in me has gone somewhere, you know. So I have lost a certain parts of me, parts and
Yeah.
pieces of me. But आपने वो पूरा सलोन वैसे ही है.
और मैं पूरा तो नहीं कहूँगी, but thank you so much. I try because we have the one life. And I
Yeah.
think that's where poetry comes in. It really helps. So
True.
if you've read, most poets will tell you, okay, this is your life. You have one life. You live it as beautifully as you can.
Yes.
I lost my father to COVID, for instance. After that, ये realization और भी strong हो गया है. He was 73, very healthy, lot of ambition still, very good looking man. कोई comorbidities कुछ नहीं. But suddenly like that, we just lost him. I realized life is short. I always knew it, पर अब तो ऐसा लगता है कि जो सब करने आए हैं ना, we should do all of
करते
it,
रहो,
right?
yes.
And not from this kind of like pressure point
Yeah,
of view,
yeah,
the
yeah.
other point of view. Let's say your life lesson is कि मुझे कुछ भी नहीं करना है. There is a, there's a philosophy like that. It sounds funny. It's called a do nothing philosophy.
Okay.
There is also Japanese tradition
yeah,
in that.
yeah.
India may be here. There are some, teachers of do nothing philosophy also.
Yes.
I haven't interacted with them, but I know they teach this. I find it very beautiful.
Very interesting.
है ना, तो हम जो बोलते हैं कि we are doing something, at the end of the day, have we asked ourselves what is, at the heart of that doing something? What is pushing us constantly to do something? Some of my best artwork has come when I have done quote unquote nothing. जो दुनिया समझती है nothing है कि अरे आपने professorship छोड़ दिया, but you had done a PhD, you were such a good teacher or whatever. When I quit to become an artist, before I did my PhD, this for few years I had quit to become an artist, to become a poet and a writer. What are you doing then? I said I'm doing nothing. But वो nothing से ना, the kind of
Yes.
poetry that came out, that was so important. So I wanted to give my daughter the opportunity to see something like that very early on. जो मुझे बाद में जो realization आया है, I wanted to give that freedom right from the beginning कि you do nothing, something, everything, whatever, that is your choice. It shouldn't be what the world expects you to do.
So let me ask you this, that homeschooling is a little bit of scary when we listen this word, homeschooling. First of all, today's kids are not कि हम उनको घर पे रखें और उनको पढ़ाएं. पहले तो वो बैठते ही नहीं है, सुनते ही नहीं है.
Sir.
दूसरी चीज, अगर घर पे है तो हमारी बात सुनेंगे नहीं, मोबाइल लेके बैठे रहेंगे. तो उनको होम स्कूलिंग देना इज अ like task. And mothers these days are also like that. They want to have their time, their reels time, their watching time and all of that.
Yes.
तो वो कैसे how is it possible?
I think you said it, like especially when you're saying that mothers are also like this or fathers are also, I will say both,
Yes.
parents or even others also in the
Yeah,
household.
yeah.
If everybody is doing something, they say this very beautiful thing, children don't listen, children watch. तो आप उनको जो भी बोल दो, निशिता कि ये करो वो करो, what they are hearing is what you are doing. मम्मी या पापा ये सब बोल रहे हैं, but they are sitting with their phones and watching this and so on, so why can't I do it, right? So with homeschooling, I think the most important thing is we unlearn ourselves. So I always say it's not about what you're teaching the child. The child will learn. The child will learn what the child is born to learn. It is about you unlearning what schools and so many other forces in society have actually done to you, where you pretend to be something else outside. You are in your real roop, you are something else. We say this all the time and we normalize it.
True.
आज मैं यहाँ तक आ रही थी, I saw a lady on a scooter. Her t-shirt said, "All my friends are toxic." You know, so I was thinking, my God, right? She's worn it for a reason or whatever. हम उसको toxic बोल रहे हैं, but actually it's normal. Like it is normal. Like we identify toxic as one type of person, but if you look at it, there's toxicity everywhere.
True.
Even in our families, like I see it all the time. Children getting beaten, slapped, scolded, so on, right? और फिर हम बोलते हैं, you know, be nice to your friends.
Yeah.
Say hello to ma'am. कहाँ से? What we are teaching is not politeness or goodness. We are teaching hypocrisy. Right? We are teaching कि जब तुम्हारे पास power आएगा, तुम कुछ भी कर सकते हो. जब तक power नहीं है बच्चे, you pretend to be good. So what you said is like it's difficult. Yes, it's messy. Yes, but for me, I started very early. Right? It was homeschooling right from the beginning. My daughter went to school just twice in her life, very briefly, in 3rd grade, and then again just about 8 months ago, she went to school for about 6 months.
Okay.
That was an online school. I was trying out because it was an interesting concept and all. But that also we discontinued. So she's 11 years old now. Bachpan se she's been homeschooled. So the other thing is that she hasn't started with that fascination with mobiles and so on because I never put her onto that.
Oh, okay.
If at all I gave her a tablet, वो भी once I'd given because it was a long flight to the US from Dubai to New York. I said she's gonna get bored, ये वो. मैंने थोड़े से educational games डाले थे on my tablet. That's about it. She didn't even do that much. थोड़ा सा किया. I have always believed in tactile learning. So Lego, wooden blocks, this right from the beginning it has been this. So today also she has an iPad. She uses Procreate to create her stuff. She uses it to draw and stuff. She is never interested in just sitting and watching nonsense. It's very rare. ऐसे नहीं बोलूंगी कि वो एंजल है ऐसे sometimes she'll just want to watch Boss Baby or something, repeat episodes if she's not feeling well, which is fine. But there's no like addiction per se. And she uses the iPad like we were talking earlier about what you can use AI for. She uses the iPad for good things. She draws, she colors, she does with Procreate. She sometimes watches videos which she learns from. So आप वही चीज को कुछ दूसरा बना सकते हैं. Let's say your child is addicted to the screen. Instead of taking it away immediately, which is traumatic, it's like taking a cigarette away from a smoker. Right. It's like taking sleep away from somebody who's barely getting right. So that is going to have worse effects. You can change what they are doing on the screen and धीरे-धीरे get them, you know, wean them away slowly. For me, it was never that difficult because I'm not addicted to screens. That's seriously. It's as simple. घर तो book से भरा पड़ा है. Both me and my partner, the person I am married to now, who has been her father for the last you know so many years. He is a lover of books. He's an artist. So we have raised her like that. You know, she can pull a book anytime. पर आप अगर घर पे किताब नहीं रखोगे, tactile toys नहीं रखोगे, you yourself are on the screen all the time. What is the child supposed to do? यही है.
True. But अगर हम बात करें सोनाली about homeschooling and other comparisons कि 10th बोर्ड एग्जाम क्या है या फिर उसको जॉब कहाँ मिलेगा या फिर उसको पैसे कैसे कमाएगी, वो कहाँ सर्टिफिकेट, कौन सा सर्टिफिकेट लागू होगा, तो इन सब के बारे में डोंट यू गेट स्कैर्ड ऑफ और हाउ डू यू टैकल इट?
I was scared in the beginning because it's a major decision. I won't say कि कोई lightly इसको ले and just like that कि you know experimental style में कर दे. ठीक है, I mean to each their own. If they want to also experiment, no problem. I read a lot. Because I come from an academic background, it was very important that my daughter, see, I did it for the other reason. I want her to love learning. I feel nothing against schools or anything, they're there for a reason. But I feel from my experience and as an educator and what I've seen with children in schools, schools quash learning, curiosity, creativity. आपको बोलते हैं कि जब टाइम आए तभी क्वेश्चन पूछना,
Hmm.
ask the right question. Right question क्या होता है? So I had some fears regarding boards and all, but I would say my desire to give a lifelong journey
Hmm.
of love for learning
Hmm.
was far higher than my fears about boards and all. वो तो अभी इंडिया में because of so many amazing homeschoolers, there are communities and all that parents can join, वो सब settle हो गया है. There was a
Okay.
time when there was a big question कि क्या होगा, boards देंगे, will they go to university or not? It's all been settled. Now if you go online you'll find all the resources. There is Dola Das Gupta, she guides people through, you know, IGCSE अगर देना है. NIOS का तो अपने ही उनके guides हैं.
Okay.
Every city has them also. They will help you. Like if your child, it's a National Institute of Open
Yeah,
Schooling, and IGCSE everyone knows. You can sit as a private candidate for IGCSE, and for NIOS, everybody is anyway a homeschooler. It is open schooling.
Yeah.
So you just enroll yourself. They send you their syllabus. You can teach that syllabus, and जब time आए boards देने का. And the beautiful thing is with NIOS, you can split the boards. So you don't have to give 10
All the
boards all in
subjects, yeah.
all the subjects in one go. You can give some in 9th grade, you can give some in 10th grade, or you can divide it into, you know, first 4 months में ये देना है, next 4 months में. So pressure कम हो जाता है.
So if they are sending you the syllabus or anything, like is it like compared to CBSE and ICSE and IB
Yes,
and
yes.
all of that? Is it the same or the different one?
Absolutely. So IGCSE, the syllabus is available
Yeah.
online. We, in fact, my daughter has mostly been coached because I did GCSE, the original this thing, not the international one, the Cambridge board one. And I did, my sister did IB. I did an American program for 11th and 12th grade.
Okay.
So I'm familiar with the APs also.
Okay.
So because of my background, I have mostly trained her in that style
Okay.
of learning.
Okay.
Having said, we have those books, but we don't always refer to them. You can ask them to, and you can buy them. IGCSE का तो they're available आराम से online. NIOS sends them, so you can sit with your child and learn like that. We don't really learn like that, and I'll tell you, Nishita, why. There are excellent books for children just out there.
True.
You know, abhi I have an subscription to an online library for her. Okay, Neon Books करके 5 किताब at one go they send, right? And my daughter gets to choose. They have fiction, they have non-fiction. So I chose this time one book for her. I said, will you let me choose? She said, yeah, you choose one, I'll choose 4. So she chose 4. I chose this book called Philosophy for Children.
Okay.
इतनी सुंदरता से philosophy समझाया गया है. What, look around you, what do you see? You know, how you see a room and how I see a room will be very different.
Absolutely.
Right? You will maybe probably notice the equipment because this is your area.
Yes.
I may notice how you are speaking, how confident you are. I may notice the colors of the room, right?
Yeah.
That, you know, that perspectival difference. Philosophy starts with this.
Wow.
राइट तो इतनी यंग एज में अगर आप बच्चों को फिलोसफी कौन सी इंडियन स्कूल में यू टेल मी राइट एट 3rd grade 4th grade you know to have even philosophy as a subject so you can give them this. I don't look at it as a competition.
Yeah.
Let me just quickly say this is very important that if you're going to do homeschooling, it is because of the love of learning, love for your children. Not because you want to give them an edge over other kids. Many people do it for that reason also. तो वो क्या करते हैं घर पे you know they are very strict, they make sure children learn very, you know,
तो वो स्कूल से खराब उल्टा ज्यादा खराब
it
हो
becomes
गया.
it becomes also your intention should not be
Yes,
that.
yes,
I feel the intention should be to let the child learn with
उनको जो
love and
करना है, let
with
them,
freedom
yes,
and
yes.
so on. And once that is decided, other things, boards and all are anyway there. With my daughter, because she has slight dysgraphia also, I feel like if she had gone to school, they would have shamed her about this, right? Or even if there are better schools which they understand dysgraphia and all nowadays, there is awareness. There could have been that sense of competition, right? That my friend can write like this, why can't I? So the shame would have come anyway, right? So this morning I asked her, I said, I'm going to speak to somebody about homeschooling. What would you like me to say?
Yeah.
She said this, Nishita. She said, I want you to tell them that in school there is a lot of bullying and shaming, and there is which I don't feel.
She is just 11 years old.
That's what.
Oh my God.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So that kind of self awareness वो आता है.
Superb. पर ये उनको how are like what are who are her friends, you know,
Hmm.
कि उनका peer के साथ मिलना and then peers telling her society बाहर socializing तो इंडिया में होता ही है. So
Yeah.
what about that? How do you tackle that?
Yeah, so I always say that human beings are social creatures.
Hmm.
My daughter can live and die for her friends.
Yeah.
उसका ये एक personality उभर के आया है last 4 years we are noticing.
Okay.
वो कुछ भी कर लेगी. She will not lie normally ever because
Hmm.
we have never encouraged lying,
Yeah.
which is something again I feel a lot of my teachers encourage because to avert punishment we lie.
Hmm.
Right, this is what schools will teach you. They will not directly teach you to lie, but अगर तुम झूठ बोल देते हो कि मैम मैंने नहीं किया उसने किया है, then you won't get punishment.
Yeah.
So you're indirectly. So she doesn't lie, but for her friends she will do anything. She can lie. She can lie.
Do anything.
So human beings are social. I feel Nishita, and for her like she will just pull out friends wherever she can.
Okay.
And anyway, I'm at home. My husband spends as much time as possible with her. There is another homeschooling community. You know, we also meet. There
Yeah.
are friends from the homeschooling community who are very
Right.
thick friends. You know,
Okay.
her best friend is somebody who was homeschooled till last year, and she has
Okay.
just started going to an alternative school. So they meet for play dates. Whatever other play dates I can arrange, I will keep arranging and so on. Then building में तो शाम में friends होते
होते
रहते हैं,
हैं.
and she gets to play longer because she
Yeah.
doesn't have the same pressure.
आज सुबह जाना है 6 बजे.
हाँ, or tuition. This is
tuition.
something my daughter doesn't have to deal with, and I am so thankful for that because I didn't do tuition.
Yeah.
I escaped
Exams
it.
नहीं है, test नहीं
That's
है, तो ये
what.
tuition क्यों होगा?
But the thing is, I studied with exams and all, but we were in Egypt, Cairo, and then I went to a school called Woodstock School. It's a boarding school in Missouri. Somehow, that same pressure that you feel in most Indian schools was just not there.
Wow.
We learned running around the hills and mountains. We learned. I had a lovely English teacher. He would just put cushions and stuff in the. We had a meditation room. He would say we'll have class here because it was a smaller class. तो जमीन पे बैठ के cushions पे right आराम से cross legged हम कैसे भी बैठे हुए थे and you would just discuss books. I did books that BA students had not even heard of. So I got this advantage because of that kind of system.
Correct.
So tuition से क्या फायदा होता है ये चीज हमें पूछना चाहिए because I know a homeschool mother for instance who taught her daughter entirely and that child got through MIT. She didn't get through IIT or any other Indian institute. Why? She refused to take boards. So homeschool children have this autonomy and we normally respect. बच्चे
Yeah.
बोल रहे कि मुझे नहीं करना, I don't want to go through this, then most parents will say okay, what do you want to do? And
Right.
they're like you spotted with my daughter, they're usually aware.
Yeah.
So like my daughter already says I want to go to design institute. I
Okay.
want to go to a university, and in Japan she has also decided.
Okay.
So they're usually very they have the foresight. You don't have to do
But
it.
then how do you like if she wants to go in Japan, you know, if like they see that she has not been to in any school, so how do they judge and what are the criteria?
Yeah, so with this MIT for
Yeah,
instance, I was
yeah.
going to say that homework you have to do. I did long time ago because I didn't want to spoil her future or anything. Many foreign universities will take children without board exams. In fact, most American universities do that. They don't have such a stress on board exams at all.
Okay.
So you just have to maintain certain like documents कि आपने क्या सिखाया है, what have you taught your child, how have you evaluated. Some universities ask कि have you had an evaluation system. They don't ask you exactly what points or anything. Let's say I can just say yes, I have evaluated by observing and writing down what she has been learning year to year. They accept that.
Okay.
Sometimes they say create a table, you know, what were your grades or did you grade them and so
Right.
on. But that's it. You have to show they have studied this much, this is how you evaluate it. Baki, they will go through the same rigmarole.
Oh.
They will write college essays. They will have to whatever the college
Yeah,
application
whatever,
demands.
yeah.
Usually
Yes.
American colleges, so you have to have those 2 or 3 very important college essays.
Correct.
Which I in fact sometimes I'm called to train some students to do. So I have that knowledge and I can teach her, and even if I didn't have that knowledge, I would say the most authentic essays go through, not
Yeah.
the ones that teachers tell you how to write.
Right.
That authenticity is exactly what we are passing for homeschooling. So that is taken care of. Yes, to answer your question, it's very important. Indian universities do not still accept. They will want you to go through board, so you can homeschool till 10th or till 12th also, and let them just take the 12th boards and you can show those marks. We get
Okay.
at Xavier's where I was teaching, for instance, I had homeschooled kids
Hmm.
in my class. They were in MA as well as BA.
Okay.
So bright, both of them. Very different
Hmm.
thinking, lovely singers and so on. Not that other kids are
Yeah.
not bright, all children are bright.
Yeah.
But there was a difference.
Difference,
And,
yeah.
And they got through just fine with their NIOS marks. And
So you don't have any pressure like कि अभी कल एग्जाम है, टेस्ट है, पढ़ाई करो, don't come to my place, we have exams. Is that?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं है.
You want to go? चलो आज मसूरी चलते हैं.
Exactly, यही चीज. And I think
हाँ.
it is so beautiful. Learning should be like that.
Yeah.
So Nishita get invited to a lot of literature
हाँ.
festivals, right? As
Yeah.
a poet and a writer. तो वो मेरे साथ आती है.
हाँ.
Regular school होता तो it would be
नहीं.
very difficult.
Yeah.
ये miss हो जाएगा, वो miss हो जाएगा. She learns so much.
Hmm.
She is directly interacting with
True.
writers and poets and thinkers. वो लोग उसके साथ बैठ के, last time she was there in Bangalore with me, there is this writer called Appu Pen. He used to keep, he's a graphic novelist.
हाँ.
He used to keep joking with her. There was another children's writer who
Hmm.
spent hours talking to her about wild animals
Hmm.
and how she used to also love wild animals.
Hmm.
अब इससे ज़्यादा beautiful education क्या होता है?
True.
You can have schools will invite one writer
Yeah.
once in a blue moon. This child is getting to
So
learn,
many writers.
like that.
Meet
That's
also. Yeah.
because of my context, of course,
Yeah,
every
yeah.
child, but you can learn from nature.
Learn from nature, from whatever your parents are from. that
Absolutely,
background.
absolutely. There are homeschool children who work with their parents in the restaurant. Like, let's say you're a coffee owner. So I have heard they go and ask, they serve at tables little bit, and then they
Yeah.
go and chat with the
I
guests.
think homeschooling children have this survival skills more than the people who are into school, because their parents are getting
Very
them
interesting.
ready and they're doing all the
Very
morning routine for them,
Very
but
true.
but I think your daughter might have learned that seeing you, that okay.
Very true. Yes, yes.
So
yes.
they have their survival skills
Yeah.
very much in time and early, like
You
even
said it.
Yeah.
Yes. And I think it's autonomy, basically. We allow them to choose for themselves. वो छोटी थी तो I used to say, do your own hair. सारे clips, she would take literally all her clips and hairbands and put them all on her hair. I have photographs and posts about this, कि this is what autonomy looks like.
yeah.
Not, nahi beta, we have to, part it at the center, we have to put
Two
two clips,
chotis,
teacher
yeah.
has said you have to.
Yeah.
I mean, so many schools,
Yeah.
I'm horrified to hear
Yeah.
girls have to oil their hair.
Yes.
This is disciplining of girls' bodies.
Yeah.
And Nishita, I'm a feminist, you know that.
Yeah.
For me, a huge part of homeschooling is, if I had a son also, it would be very important, right?
Yeah.
Same thing, I have a
Yeah.
daughter, son. You want to raise your sons to be sensitive,
Yeah.
to be free to cry,
Yeah.
to learn to empathize, right?
True.
To be okay to play with dolls and houses and so
Yeah,
on, right?
correct.
So they can grow up.
Yes.
This homeschooling gives you. Moment you enter into a school scenario, no matter how radical your school may be, the school environment will discipline you into gender roles.
Yeah.
So briefly, when my daughter went, now which you were saying, this whole
Yes,
thing
yes.
of autonomy and so on, right? They do have survival skills. She found it difficult. I will
Yeah.
not say lie about that. She found it difficult initially because there was a lot of violence. Somebody's hitting her. यहाँ से ये बच्ची को किसी ने कभी भी नहीं मारा था. And suddenly in grade 3 she's getting, somebody hitting her, somebody slapping her.
Oh my God.
So this school I was also doing a few guest lectures
Yeah.
on cinema and gender. They had asked me, I was
Yeah.
talking to them, they'd invited me. So I used to go in the afternoon to her school only
Huh.
to take for higher grades.
Okay.
So one day I entered and my daughter has hit one girl hard करके जोर से, one American kid, like एकदम से. I was horrified. I said, Aranya, stop. What did you just do? Did you hit her? Right? And she just looked at me. She said, did you see how she hit me? So then I called the other girl. I said, did you hit her that badly? So she admitted yes. She said, she
Yeah.
hit me so badly on the ear, my ears are ringing. But I had never taught her to hit. But
Yeah.
clearly, whatever education they've
Survival.
given,
Yeah.
exactly, I was very proud. I said,
Yeah.
very good.
एक दिया तो
हाँ,
तुम तो दे
तुम
दो
दो वापस, absolutely नहीं तो वो क्या कर बैठेगी तुम्हारे
Yeah,
साथ. I
correct.
said, did you tell the teacher? She said, I told them many times, they're doing nothing about it. So I had to hit back. So that
Okay.
is that is there, that
Yeah.
survival thing. And I would say more than also surviving on your own.
Yeah.
I saw this in COVID.
Yeah.
I would get calls all the time, right? Because we were homeschoolers. Like, what do you do? I did an interview also that time,
Okay.
online interview. क्या करती है मैम? How to? What you were saying earlier.
Yeah,
बच्चों को
yeah.
बैठे कैसे रखना ये करना. I have never struggled with this. My daughter jumps around at home, leaps, gets hurt also many times. She's a monkey that way. But I have never struggled with sit down, do this, because we have
Study,
never
yeah.
used this language to begin with. They are very happy to be by themselves and figure out what they want to do with life.
Correct.
And I'm a huge believer that true learning comes with being comfortable with yourself.
Yeah.
So whether you're shy, whether you are, whatever, extroverted, whether you
Yeah.
are just somebody who likes to laugh, whatever your true self is, that will emerge. In
Yeah.
school, we want everybody to fit into that same mold.
Yeah.
एक्सट्रोवर्टेड होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
अरे ये बहुत शाई है, इसको स्टेज फ्राइट है. बट स्टेज पे जाना इज नॉट एवरीबडीज इंटरेस्ट, और नॉट शुड इट बी एवरीबडीज इंटरेस्ट.
Yeah.
व्हाई शुड, राइट? लाइक इफ यू
Yeah.
सी अ स्टेज ना, हम सिर्फ सामने का देखते हैं.
हाँ.
The most of the work comes from the director, spot boys, girls, whatever, those who are backstage,
Very
those who
true.
are organizing the, right?
Event and everything.
Absolutely. So there are people, it takes all of them, not just the actors. So सबको stage पे होना जरूरी नहीं है.
हाँ.
Some could be just design oriented.
Yeah.
Some could have written the whole play.
True.
And they could shine in the limelight for that reason.
Yeah.
So I think this is the problem. It is not so much survival in the sense how society looks at survival.
Yeah.
कि confident होना है, stage fright नहीं, no. It is survival in the sense of knowing who you are, and in
Yes.
whatever situation, you know how to protect
How to
yourself,
protect
and
yourself
how
and how to survive and
Yes.
how to
thrive also.
yeah, absolutely. How to, मुंह पे जवाब देना
हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
अपने काम से ही.
As they call it roasting these
Yeah.
days. Oh, she keeps telling me, Mama, help me practice roasting. I said, Kyun, why do you want to roast
Yeah.
anybody? Then she'll say, no. Kids are very rowdy
Yes,
these days.
very much. very
Yeah,
much.
and I feel here also something like unschooling and homeschooling helps so much. Because why are they rowdy? Why are they? We have to hear them
Comparisons.
also. Na? Exactly. They are under a lot of pressure.
Yes.
Okay, you have to be like this, you have to
Yeah.
be like that.
Everybody's calling that person. Why not me?
Huh? Exactly. And me first, look at me. Why are they
Yeah.
seeking that? Maybe because they have not been given that
True.
attention.
I get it.
Yeah.
So, one last thing that I would
Yeah.
like to ask you is, you have been homeschooling your child for a longer time, and I think that is your plan. But you yourself are teaching in a university. You are a teacher,
Yes.
and you also, have seen the background and environment and everything. So, is it like, how is this irony matching? you
Yeah,
know?
I get asked this a lot. I say it is because I'm an educator. It is because I'm an educator that I know that she will thrive in the university system. I didn't like the Indian schooling system at all. I will openly say it. I didn't know who I was. One or two teachers really saw me. Like, you have a flair for literature, you have a flair for diction, you have a flair for drama. Sports may also, I had really compassionate teacher, but mostly the system just represses individuality. Good universities, they really encourage your individuality to thrive. I really thrived in Delhi University because higher studies demand something very different from what schools are equipping us with.
Right.
Demands originality.
Yes.
Right? It demands immersive knowledge which comes in like hours of solitude.
True.
आपको library में बैठ के I have done it and I still do it, so I know. You have to know how to quietly research. Are we teaching our young students to do that? It's just the opposite.
Yes.
In fact, most of the times parents are doing their work,
Yes.
right? So I would answer कि it is because of that. I know that what she's doing today, it's her choice. If she wants to go to university, she
Yeah.
wants to start something before that also, absolutely, we will support her. She wants to start teaching on her own. Even at 10th grade or something, usko you won't believe, she does crochet so well, self-taught entirely, and crochet is not easy.
Yes.
I am an artist, but
It
I
is
can't do
very,
it.
very
It's
difficult.
very complex.
Yes.
And she does lots of lovely things, bags, ये वो. उसको अभी भी लोग बोलते हैं सिखाओगे. So I keep telling them she is too young. I don't want her to. But let's say she gets to 11th grade,
Yes.
12th grade, that age,
Yeah.
she can start early, something like that.
Yeah.
ज़रूरी नहीं she goes to
Hmm.
university. But if she does go, I am 100% aware that she will really do well because she has exactly those skills.
True.
Right? Self-reflection, awareness, originality,
Yes.
ability to question, to be
Yes.
curious, to push through a
Yes.
thought and so on. To this is what universities demand, and universities open you up to a larger world.
Yeah.
Politics, history.
Hmm.
That is something because of who we are. We are very political. We are very moved, very
Very true.
opinionated, right? So she's getting all of that at home. Today I
Yes.
will be discussing the US. I'll be discussing Indian politics. I discuss the history of Gaza. I discuss the history of Iran. All of this with her at home.
Yeah.
So she is getting what the university will give her
Yes.
many years down the line. So she's already well prepared for that. Right?
Wow. But it is a very difficult task, I must tell you,
Mhm.
because even if today, if we look at the scenario, the parents, both parents are working
Mm.
in corporate. They have maybe they have sometimes work from home or
Yeah.
5 days a week learning or whatever, working or whatever.
Yeah.
But then Saturday, Sunday, when it is a Saturday, Sunday, they want freedom.
Absolutely.
You know, so
Yeah.
they'll put their child into a play area or somewhere. And what message would you like to give to those parents? Because see, they have their own pressures and they have their
Yeah.
own stress and everything. पर उनको भी अपने बच्चे के लिए टाइम निकालना, ये सब अभी
Yeah.
बहुत कम हो गया है. You know,
Yeah.
जैसे अभी देखो वेकेशन होंगे स्टार्ट,
Absolutely.
everybody wants to send them into some
Some
workshop.
camp or workshop.
कहीं
Yes.
पे भेजो यार, ये 2 घंटा 3 घंटा कहीं जाएगा जाएगी तो हमारे घर में थोड़ा
Yeah.
बैलेंस बना रहेगा.
Yeah.
They want to like
yeah.
send them from the
Absolutely.
house. तो उनको आप
Absolutely.
क्या बताएंगे?
When my daughter was born, I remember my gynecologist, who helped
Mhm.
giving birth. Somebody was asking, कि मैम वो पूछ रहे हैं, someone else she had helped deliver, right, the child. पूछ रहे हैं कि कोई नानी है, कुछ है. She said, अभी तो 2 घंटे पहले बच्चा पैदा हुआ है, and you want us to find a nanny, somebody to take care of, right? Why are you making children then? Right?
हाँ,
So
हाँ.
that's a very important question. I completely, first of all, will say, why did you have a child? It's because of societal pressure, right? You can see it, everybody, the moment you're married, kab bacha kar rahe ho. It actually goes back to that. So ask yourself, if you had a child truly because you want to love your child, you love your child, you want to spend time with them, then it shouldn't be such a chore. मुझे तो I will say I really enjoy. Of course, I love my child free time because I homeschool her. We are together a lot. So at night, once she is in bed and I've kissed her good night, I've given her a book. I say, just give me and Dad this 20 minutes to ourselves. We just want to watch a movie or we want to. So that is also important, sure.
Yeah.
Right? But homeschooling challenges industrialized, corporatized way of thinking. It actually asks you, what do you want out of life? Why did you have a child? So I would say these are tough questions you have to ask. For me, it is not, neither for my husband, I would say, it's not a chore to spend time with a child. So I would say make it such. Maybe something of your interest. Let's say you like to cook. Right? So just cook with the child. Right? Let them make a mess. ये मत worry करो कि oh my god, do it tidily, this, that.
Yeah.
Just cook together and eat whatever. It could be something very simple, sandwich hua, cake, baking, anything, whatever you
Yeah.
like cooking. Do it together, talk with them. Cooking ka cooking bhi ho gaya. Let's say you cook, like whoever cooks in your house, the man, the woman, whatever. And you've spent time and they've learned a lot. Cooking has chemistry, it has life skills,
Everything.
it has a lot, yeah. And you've taught them and you're sitting and eating together. So
Yeah.
khana bhi ho raha hai anyway that you had to do,
Yeah.
plus you've spent time with them also, right?
Yeah.
So I'm like, I don't understand how parents are. I really enjoy spending time with my daughter.
Yeah.
I love it. In fact, I would say she probably gets bored of me more than I get bored of her, right?
Yeah.
They're at that age, they want to go
Yeah.
spend time with friends and all.
True.
I love the act. See, and also, I'll tell you, recently I heard somebody say, I forget who, you can learn from the child. I used to always say that.
Yeah.
I learn from her as much as just watch them, take out a board game, let's say, and sit and you can pour your favorite drink, you can do whatever, you can get your snacks, you can enjoy, turn on the AC or whatever, watch a
Right.
game together. right? So much to learn.
I
in
think the
that.
homeschooling parent and the schooling parent have also different ideologies and
True.
everything. I think there is
Yeah.
a lot much difference
You're
more
very right.
than more than students, I guess.
You were very right, and that's why I always say homeschooling is not always possible. You're right. If I
Yeah.
was doing a full-time university professorship right now, it would be very difficult because
Yeah.
I do visiting facultyship and I'm a writer. I spend a lot of time writing and so on. It's possible, but you can imbibe that spirit.
Yeah,
We call
at
it the
least 2 or
unschooling
3
spirit.
hours.
Yes.
Yeah.
Schools can also do it, Nishita. Not
Hmm.
just parents. Parents can do it. Schools can also do it.
Very true.
We don't do it because we are afraid of freedom. We are afraid of doing nothing. कुछ भी ना करो.
Hmm.
If you just hang with your children, right? They are doing their own thing, you are doing your own thing. It is so nourishing. It is so
Yes.
beautiful. It's a gift. Why would
Very
you
true.
not want to take that gift?
Absolutely. Thank you so much. It was pleasure having
Thank
you and such a insightful discussion that we have had. I am absolutely loving this homeschooling thing.
All
And
thanks to your very insightful questions, I would say. Yes.
But we are definitely looking forward for the new books. And
I thank you. I hope they come out very soon. I'll keep
Yes.
you posted.
and we would definitely wish very good luck to your daughter as well.
Thank
and
you so much.
thanks to her as well for giving some insights to you.
It's
also.
very important. Thank you. Yeah, because we have to hear from children. Parents can
True.
go on saying whatever. We have
Very
to ask the
much, yeah.
child how they are doing. So I really enjoyed this. Thank you, Nishita.
Thank you. And keep coming in. We'll be discussing homeschooling 2-3
Absolutely.
more times because
Lovely.
people here will, like in India, it will take a lot many years,
Oh, yes.
you know, for this concept.
Oh yes, oh yes. But once you do it, na, believe me, you'll be thinking,
You'll never
why
go back
else?
to school.
Yeah, how else should learning happen? How
Yeah.
else should learning happen with freedom and let the child choose what they want to? So thank you for
Wow.
doing this. I think because this allows a lot of parents who are on the brink to
Yes.
start thinking if it's possible, then
Yeah.
why not let it happen?
Absolutely. Thank you so much. It was pleasure having you.
Thank you very much.